This works out great. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com. Taking the crash course. Right? Okay, so once again, no, because it works out. It does. It works out fabulous because he can review and watch these videos when they go up on YouTube. And I know what we did last week, and so we can do the next lesson, right? Okay, so here is a quick lesson on a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You should recognize the 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triangle. So there's a picture of that. Then we talked about, okay, so if we figured out that a squared plus b squared really does equal c squared, here is a special triangle where I take this baby and I say if that's 1 and that's 1, how far is it across here? Well, it must be square root of 2, right? And then we can figure out square root of 2. Can you grab this one side would be 1, right? There's 1, 4, and a little bit more. 1, 4, 1, what did I say? 1, 4, read it over there.
1, 4, no, 1.4142,135.
And it goes on forever. But it ends, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But square root of 2 is radical. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. And I'm going to see if you can figure this one out. I'm going to tell you the special triangle over here. And see, it's all based on that, right? It's just a squared plus b squared equals c squared every time. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you this side is 1. This side, which side should I give him? I'll be nice. This side is square root 3. Sometimes I give them the hypotenuse and they have to tell me what that side is. But now, can you tell me what the hypotenuse is?
3.
So if this is 1.
2.
Ooh, you know it.
2, right?
Yeah, how'd you know?
Because 1 plus 2 is 3 in the square root.
Okay. You did it. Right? You did it the idiot savant way. Right? It's like, okay, no, that's good thinking. I like it. Right? But here's what it is, actually, is that 1 squared is 1, and the square root of 3 squared is how much? What's 3 times, square root of 3 times the square root of 3 would be what? See, good, let's think. Let's think about it. Oh, wow, what are you going to do? Throw it on the calculator? You can't do it on a calculator. But think about it. Let's think about it with a...
Would it be like 1 point...
Oh, not even. It'd be easy. Don't make it hard. You're trying to make this hard.
Be 1.
Wait, let's think about this. Stop. Let's think.
3.
Bingo! Right? Because here's square root 9 and square root 9, and square root 9 times square root 9 is 9. And we know square root 9 is the same thing as 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9. So you're right. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 would just be 3. Okay. Right? So I add 1 and 3 together, I get 4, and the square root of 4 is
2.
There you go. See how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. And again, it's just Pythagorean, right? And people make it like it's so hard, and it's not. Okay, so next week we're going to talk about sine, cosine, and tangent. And then we're going to talk about, a lot more factoring over here, right? And we're just more math. And then we're going to do some fractions and stuff like that. But here is the basis of 2 things that are absolutely going to be on any standardized test, is Pythagorean theorem and understanding quadratics. All right, being able to factor. Okay, so where you're going to go for more information, go to Crewton Ramone's House of Math.